In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror your camera on Google Meet, or in other words, how to flip your webcam using Google Meet in 2025. It's an easy process, and by the end of this video, your webcam will display exactly how you want it to. First, let's start by opening up Google Meet. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and typing in the Google Meet URL. This is the homepage where all the magic begins. Now you might notice that when you start a video call, your camera view can sometimes appear mirrored, which may not be what you want. Next up, look for the waffle icon. If you're unfamiliar, this is the small grid-like symbol found at the top right-hand side of your Google page. By clicking on it, you'll be presented with a variety of apps and extensions. This is a key step in accessing other Google services and helpful tools that can assist in tailoring your Google Meet experience. Now from that menu, search and click on the Chrome Web Store. This is where we'll find the necessary extension that will allow us to flip our camera. The Chrome Web Store is packed with numerous helpful applications that enhance your browser's capabilities. Once you're in the store, you'll want to make use of the search bar. The next task is to type flip camera into the search bar. By doing this, you'll pull up a list of extensions related to camera adjustments and mirroring functions. This is an efficient way to narrow down the selection and find exactly what you need without too much hassle. Once you've performed the search, browse through the results until you find an extension called Google Meet Mirror. This is the extension we will be using. Clicking on it will take you to a page with detailed information about what the extension does, user reviews, and so on. Finally, add the Google Meet Mirror extension to your Chrome browser. Often you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button. It's an essential part of incorporating the extension into your browser's suite, so go ahead and click it. Once added, a small icon will typically appear near your browser's address bar, indicating that the extension is installed and ready to use. When you start your next Google Meet call, you'll notice that the mirroring option is now available and ready to adjust as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have the ability to adjust how your camera feed is displayed during a Google Meet video call, ensuring the view meets your preference. Thanks for watching today's guide on mirroring your camera on Google Meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.